In this video, we will use before change to populate field values. We will create a macro for a table that tracks product inventory. If the quantity on hand is less than 40, we want the commons field to read order soon. If the quantity on hand is greater than 100, we want the commons field to read offer a discount. So we're going to use an if statement in our macro. If quantity on hand is less than 40, do this, or if quantity on hand is greater than 100, do that. But while we're working with this, I want you guys to think of situations and scenarios that would apply to your particular database needs. So, to follow along, you will need to create or use a table that has both the quantity and the commons field. So let's get started. In the Ribbons, Table Tools, Table tab, on the left-hand side, click Before Change. That opens the Macro Builder window. From the Add New Action drop-down, you can either select if or type it in and hit Tab. In the Conditional Expression field of if there, you're going to type in if the quantity field is less than 40. So to start to tell Access that you're actually looking to evaluate a field, you would start with an open square bracket. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in quantity. Now you can see that as soon as I typed in the Q here on my keyboard, Access recognizes that I want to pull in the quantity field from my table. Quantity happens to be the only field in my table that starts with Q, so it brought it up right away. I can continue to type quantity from here, or I can hit the Tab key on my keyboard. Not only does Access type out the whole word quantity for me, but it also closes my square bracket. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit the space bar and then type in less than 40. So now we have if the quantity field is less than 40. Now actually you can also use the expression builder. To get to there, that's actually the magic wand looking button here on the right hand side of the screen. I'll go ahead and click on that so you guys can see what it looks like. Now I find that a lot of times it's easier and faster to type the expression rather than to use the expression builder, but use of the expression builder is totally up to you. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel on the keyboard. Alright, so now we have if quantity is less than 40. Okay, well what do we do next? Next we want to set the comment field to read order soon. So from the add new action drop down, we're going to select Set Field. We're going to set the value of a field. In the name field, we need to tell it which field. Well, we want to set the comments field. So I'll start with my square bracket again and type in comments. That's the name of our field. Okay, what value do we want to set the comments field to? We want to set that to read order soon. And actually, I'll go ahead and make that a capital O. Order soon. Now that's text, so it's inside of double quotes. All right, so if quantity is less than 40, in the comments field, set the value to order soon. Perfect. That's only the first half of the macro though. Next, we have to tell it that if the quantity field is greater than 100. So on the right-hand side of the screen, we're going to add an else if statement. And there's a link for that. Go ahead and click on the add else if link. Okay. Else if the quantity field, same field, and I'll go ahead and hit tab once I see it there. Else if quantity is greater than 100, again we want to set the comments field this time to offer a discount. From the add new action drop down, I'm going to set field. I started to type in SET, hit tab. We want to set the comments field. I'm typing that in inside of square brackets one more time to the value of, and it's text value, so it's inside of double quotes, to the value of offer a discount, close quote. Well, that's it. Let's go ahead and test our macro. Let's make sure that we save first by clicking the Save button in the ribbon, and then go ahead and click on the Close button in the ribbon as well. That takes us back to our table. Now the macro works from this point forward, so anything new that I type in this existing table is going to trigger the macro. So in the first record here that I have for long grain rice, I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say, $39 and hit the tab key and enter that in. See, it says order soon. Northwind Traders, gnocchi. We just checked our inventory and actually now we seem to have maybe 140 boxes of gnocchi. So I'll go ahead and enter that in and there you go, offer a discount. So any number under 40, we need to order soon. Any number over 100, as far as the quantity, we'll want to offer a discount.